intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance network. And the flow of forces continues today. In fact, Admiral Cooper will receive additional forces even today. This rapid buildup of forces demonstrated the joint forces' ability to adapt and project power at the time and place of the nation's freedom. I want to highlight a couple of specific cases. The Gerald R.
What's up, guys? Be right with you. Sorry, I'm running a little late, I guess. My goodness. Had a big night last night, man. I'll show you guys in a minute.
Including the Wisconsin Army National Guard operating in Kuwait, Iran, and Air National Guard from a variety of states, including Vermont, Virginia. In the case of the Vermont Air National Guard and the 158 fighter wing.
All right, what's going on, guys? We ready to roll? All right, here we go. We're going to sweep right here, US 30. Here's the move for today. That's US 30. We put a box. Make it more obvious. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for them to come down here, take this equity, and then head north. Right to here. When you got something like this, it's always a target, guys. Why did they just come right up there to that random spot? And then like that with such a force. Look how much force they put into this cat, you know. Came all the way here and just reversed. So this is, for some reason, this is a point of interest to them. So we're gonna gamble. Not gamble, but we're gonna guess that they're going to sweep here and come back up there. Here we got the same situation, guys. Looking for a sweep here. This is the pre-market low, same as US 30. I'm looking for them to come here and grab this liquidity below here. And then head north. And look, they got the same thing here. Isn't that weird? What is that, guys? What is that? Anybody know what that is? Why the banks wanted to come back up here real quick and then drop? Very interesting. Guys, I got to show you what happened last night, too. I made a little video. I did it live. Of what happened last night on the Susana vote, man. I made like $800 real quick. Let me see. Where am I here? Let me just make sure we're live. I didn't even check. You guys hear me? Yeah, I had a good night, man, with Susana. I made some cash, man. So you guys can hear me, right? I can hear the TV. So you guys can hear me, right? I can hear the TV. Let me put on some news, man. You see that guy Doyle Exchange, man? They called him fake trading. I tell you guys, very few people are going to come on here and do this, man. Very few of these big shot influencers are going to come on here and trade live every day, man. They're not going to do it because they can't do it. All they could do is sell courses. Most of them are full of crap. I won't say all, not all, but most of them are full of crap, man. It's just the way it is. See, we just came up here to this. Let me go in 1 minute. I'm on there. Guys, I might sell gold. Oops. God damn it. Let's see what happens when it touches this fair value gap. Okay, we're on it now. See if it backs off. Hold on 1 second. Boom, 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 boom. I want to see if it'll pull back a little. I'll take a sell on gold. Let me see US 30. Okay, never came back yet. Nah, same thing. I might just play a hunch here and enter. Let me just see how these candles. I'll let you know if I'm entering, guys. Man, this cold is kicking my butt. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see if we can ring that alarm. Come on, baby. You can ring my bell. Oh, man. That was terrible, man. I wasted my money on those singing lessons. All right, but the tea is good. All right, guys, I'm going to enter a sell here. It looks like we're about to hit the alarm. Come on. Come on. Almost had it. Moving very slow. I don't like that. I'm going to enter, guys. I'm in. I jumped the gun and went in. couldn't get the anticipation. There it goes. It just rang the alarm. All right, so I'm in a sell on gold. All right, let's see what happens, guys. Feel a little better than yesterday. Yesterday I was dying. I want to show you guys this video, man. This is from last night. This is on my channel, guys. Why is it doing this now? All right, let me show you this, guys, all right, for a second. This was last night, the vote on Sosana. This is only a minute video, 2 minutes. Guys, you get rewards too if you pick the winning one. You get rewarded in tokens. Tokens from the one that won, tokens for Sosana. They split it 50-50. Guys, like and subscribe. Check this out, guys. We do this every 2 weeks. I rocked it. I was up 200. I was up 100% when this happened. I ended up making about $800. But you know, as it gets bigger, I'm gonna be putting more and more money in. Take some profit. Look at that, guys. Awesome, man. That was awesome, right, guys? Anyway, we're hanging out right at our entry here on gold. What time is it? 9:13. We got time. Is there any news today? What's today? Today's 10. Oh, I got to vote today. No news today. Let me go to Facebook, guys. I'll put the Facebook group there. Sorry about this, guys. I know you guys are looking at all this. Supposed to be looking at gold. You're watching me fumble around here. All right, there's the Facebook group, guys. All right, let's see what happens. There's only like 3 people in there. We got a few people in there, man. We'll be able to vote as a block, too. You know, it's nothing now. There's only 1,000 people in the Sosana group. Or there's a little more than that. I don't know exactly how many. But imagine when there's 10,000, 20,000. We're going to be making some cash, guys. We're going to move these tokens like you wouldn't believe. Oh, we're right at break even here, guys. I'm going to get rid of this alert because you can see it keeps ringing already. We're already in the trade, so we don't need it. All right, we're in profit. I guess we'll use this as TP1, this area here. Let's see if we can push down that. Make it a little bigger. Can't see it good. Yeah, so that was fun last night, man. I made about $800. I'm already buying coins I think are going to be next in the vote. And we'll talk about that in the group if you guys want to get in the group. I'm up big already on a couple of the coins. One is called Plastic. And I think that's going to be in the next vote. I'm not going to nominate it, but I think it's going to be nominated. Hold on a sec, guys. All right. Going up, huh? Figures. Anyway, that guy Doyle, like he got caught trading on a fake account, on a demo account, man. And it looks bad because he was talking like right when he was like faking it, man. He was saying like, "No, I don't need to fake it" and all this stuff, you know, crazy, man. Oh. Yeah, they caught him trading on a demo account and changing the number. You know, he put the number from the demo account and had it pasted over the number on the live account that had nothing in it. Crazy, man. A lot of people thought that guy was the real deal, man. I don't know if this means he's not the real deal. I have no idea. I don't even know the guy. I mean, I've seen the guy, obviously, being in this industry, but I've never watched him trade. And from what I understood, people, said he was the real deal, man. So I don't know. But these dudes caught him, man. If you're the real deal, why are you doing stuff like that, You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, we're in some drawdown here. And if it comes up here, I will take another entry right here. Okay. Looks like it's going to come up there and grab that liquidity on the top. Let's see. I'll be looking for an entry here either way. Be a little patient. See if it goes all the way to that liquidity. Yeah, I had a good night, man. We had a good vote last night. That's every 2 weeks, guys. We do that. Sasan is free to join, man. And right now they have the founder packages still for $99. If you want to take it, you don't have to take it, but it gives you everything on the site. It's worth it, man. And it lets you recruit people, which the recruiting thing is really a small part of it, man. To tell you the truth, I like telling people about it because I think it's going to be a big coin, man. It's going to make people money. You don't make much money on the recruitment end. It's not based really on recruitment. There is an aspect of it, but it's not like when you see how it works, it's really minimal. The main thing is the voting and holding the Solana coin. I think the coin's going to go up a lot. You know, it still has the right now. It hasn't gone up much. I believe that people are waiting because it still has the warnings on it. You know, they just locked the. You know, I don't understand all that stuff. So you have to go on the thing to really understand, or go on their website how it works with locking the liquidity. That's been done, but there's some other stuff they have to lock it. They just did it last night. Now they're going to try to get the warnings removed from CoinMarketCap and all of those places. And we got a couple of votes. You know, we're really considering these votes like test votes because, you know, it's a very small community right now, and we just, you know, when something launches, especially something with a lot of parts on the internet, there's always, you know, there's always things that have to be fixed, you know, and things that don't work right. And, you know, we went through that, and we're still going through it. But it's starting to come together nice, man. Last night went seamless, I got to say. Last night went good. And the crew is doxxed. They're out front and center 4 nights a week. So, yeah, it's all good, man. It's all good in the hood, man. I think it's going to be a big project. They had the guy from the coin on last night that won, the owner of the coin, which was pretty cool. You know, he came on and talked for a few minutes about his project. He's cleaning up the ocean. It was nice. That's why I think that plastic coin is going to get. Well, we'll talk about that in the Facebook group, man. I picked 2 out of 3 winners so far, guys. So that's pretty damn good. I'm getting ready to pick a sell here, guys. All right. I'm in. I'm in right there. Let's see what happens here, guys. Wait, what's going on with my screen, man? I just noticed something. Hold on. Bear with me here, guys. All right, there we go. Now we're cooking with gas. All right, come on, gold. Let's drop now. Sorry about that, guys. In that Facebook group for Susanna, guys, I'm gonna make it private when I get like 10 or 20 people in there, because people can still join and stuff, but I don't want everybody reading what we're talking about in there. And it's not like I'm trying to keep people from seeing the coins. There's things we're going to be talking about in there that, you know, might be controversial. But we'll leave it at that, you know. All right, we got a nice little push down here, guys. We're in profit. Let's see how far we could go. I want it to come all the way to here. Then I will close this trade full. As soon as this trade goes break even or a couple of pips in profit, I'll close this one full. Let's see if we can get there. How many pips is that? Approximately. No, that ain't right. It's more than 26 pips. It's 260? That can't be. Can it be? Maybe it can be. I don't know. Anyway, let's see. We're pushing down now. Nice, man. Well, we got 1 minute to the open, guys. I wasn't paying attention. 35 seconds to New York Open. So excited about last night, man. And these other projects I'm in, which I'll be sharing in the group. All right, there we go. That's the opening candle. Come on, let's get our win for the day. Let's go, baby. We got this little order block right here. It's gonna block us. Plus, we got this big ass fair value gap here. Let's see what happens. We're pushing down. We're trying. Might reject off this fair value gap. We'll see. Or this order block. All right, come on, gold. Let's go. Nice push. Nice push. Come on, keep going, baby. Guys, if it does come down here, you could decide if you want to close both or hold this one. We'll see how it's moving. Well, I'm definitely closing this one full as soon as it comes to here. You know, no reason to hold that anymore. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go to the hot. What she was 30 doing? It's another one of those cases where it came down to here, real, real solid, a strong 1 minute candle, and right back up. Why is that? Why does it come here, you think? Is there liquidity right here that it's trying to grab? Came right to it. It didn't even go past it. Now it did the same thing. Yeah, that's freaking strange, man. Got the 200 here. Do we have that on US 31? No, we're below it. Crazy. Hold on, I'm hot, guys. I got to turn the AC on. Or up or down. Turn it up again. You what? You good? Okay. Put the AC a little lower. My wife watches these drama movies from China, man. You know, they have their subtitles. And she's out over there, tears in her eyes, and everything over these movies, man. It's crazy. Like soap operas, you know? Makes me laugh, you know. We always joke about it. All right, we're pushing down, guys. Sweet. Let's go to the house. Come on, gold. Keep pushing down. Here we come. Come on now, gold. Let's go. Let's wrap this up. Come on, gold. Let's drop, baby. I know you want to come down. I can tell by the way you're leaving those wicks on top. The wicks don't lie, man. Anybody new? We had a nice vote last night. I showed I taped it live just for when the token got announced. I made about $800 last night on that call. You know, the thing, we do it every 2 weeks with Sosana. So it's nice, you know, and as I build my bag up more, I'm going to be making more and more. Hopefully, you know, not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor or a guru or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if there's any news on it. We're coming down to our entry, guys. So get ready to close. I'm going to close that one full, guys. All right. Let's see what we do here. We just closed that fair value gap, so we got to be careful here. Hopefully, we just keep pushing down. Okay, guys, I'm out. I'm out of this entry. This one is closed. You could close this one now if you want, guys. You're in profit. You should be up like 200 pips, right? Yeah, like 260 pips. Right now, it's like 280. Yeah, 280. Let's see what it does here. If it wants to keep going down. What I might do is right here or something, I'll put a stop loss and take a little profit. Since we're up so much. Don't let it go negative, though, guys. If it starts to go negative, just close it. It's better than holding it again negative. We already went through that rigmarole. See what it does here with this fair value gap. It's supposed to reject. Damn. I was messing around. I didn't close it. All right, I'm just going to hold them. Talking and messing. I didn't close it. I think it's going to drop, though. Anyway, guys, we're plus 260. There's a text right here. Give me a W in the chat, guys. A nice win, man. That was a nice trade. Sorry about that. There we go. We're back. We're back. I want to give myself a W. A little pat on the back. Let's see if we can drop now and get this one back positive. Nice trade today, guys. Good job, man. 260 pips. We're in a little drawdown on this entry here. Like 5. I don't know how many. 10 pips. But we're up 260, so we're gooder than gold. We're gooder than chicken, man. I'm going to hold it. I'm just going to hold this one for now. All right, when we come back down here, I'll decide what to do. I think I'm going to take some profit. I could close full here, but I don't want to close full. I feel like we're going to drop further. You know, we could come all the way to the pre-market low, man, to tell you the truth. So I'm going to take a quick little profit somewhere here. I got it right here on this fair value gap. That's a good spot. Good a spot as any. See the purple line? And then I'll just put I got to sneeze. Sorry, guys. I'll put a stop loss right up here, right in profit. Just a couple of pips in profit. And just let it do its thing, man. It's either going to come back, stop me out, or it's going to go all the way to Kingdom Come over here. So we'll see how it goes. But that's the deal, guys. We got to drop again first, though. I'll wait till 10 o'clock, then I'm out of here. Guys, go watch that video, man, in the group about last night, how it went. Let's go to the hot. Now we're pushing back down. Let's go, baby. Nice. Here we come. Turn this up a little. New York is messed up. I'm from New York, guys, and man, it's a shame what's going on up there, man. It's crazy. They got this nincompoop now as mayor. I don't know how these guys get elected, man, huh? You promise enough free stuff, even I'll vote for you, I guess. Come on, Gold. Let's go. Let's get this wrapped up while I'm on the stream. It's going to drop, man. I have total faith.
We've known each other forever, really. We've the same dad for mom. We are. Welcome to episode 21 of True Selling the Ass on Instagram. As if it's only fans. As you can see on the screen, Cowboy FX agent was asked if he was Mama's brother, and he said no. You can see in the interview, he came straight out of Mama FX's mouth that they have the same exact father. Unless we're lying about it. Ruining influencers, companies like Tradify, we're ruining brothers and families. I'm sorry to do it because it looks like Mama FX just kicked Cowboy FX out of the family because they just found out that AJ, Mr. Cowboy FX, is running a scam prop firm, which Mama FX was an investor of. So if you go and rewind, Tradify took the reviews on the website because of me, and now I just separated two brothers. If you're looking for a real prop firm, comment down below.
Guys, I'm buying US 30. I'm in. Oops. I'm in already, guys. So.
I'm sorry, because it looks like Mama is just they just found out that AJ is running this proper, which Mama is messed up. So if you go and rewind, they want to so what's it me? And now I'm going to separate two brothers. But whenever that 18 months. And so finally, to
get rid of this alert. All right, here we come again, guys. All right, we're almost at our entry. Come on. You almost had it. I win profit on US 30. Just keeping an eye. I'm thinking about what I'm going to do here. I might just close full if it goes into profit. Because we're already up 260 pips. We already got that in the bank. All right, we're coming to our entry now, guys. We're just about there, guys. A few pips away from our entry. Thinking about closing when it goes into profit. We're in profit now. Let me see. What am I going to do now? Still, we're right at our entry. Some of you guys want to close. I don't care. I don't blame you. So far, I'm holding. Let's see what it does. Check US 30. US 30, I'm going to take profit here, guys. Let me see what we're at. Oh, yeah, we're up 120 pips. All right, guys, I'm going to take half. All right, I took half, guys. Now I'm going to put a stop loss right here below this wick. See this wick right here? Right below that wick, 47494.63. That's 114 about. And 20. I got about 60 pips in the bank. And now we're secure, guys. So that's a W on US 30. We got 60 pips in the bank. We got our stop loss and profit. I'm going to put a TP. Yeah, heck with it. Put it up here. 47948.80 is my final TP, guys. I'm just going to let it run. So it's either going to stop me out in profit or it's going to go all the way. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens tonight or tomorrow. I'll put it in the Facebook group. But we are up 60 pips here. Oh, let me see what we got here. All right, guys, I'm going to take some profit here on this trade. Let me see if it goes down again. I'm going to take half, guys. All right, I'm going to take it. All right, I took half. I took it right around here. I'm going to put a stop loss in profit. Right about there. 5199.28. Just make it 5.200. 5.200. 5200. Should be just in profit. Couple of pips in profit. See it? This is our entry. Here's our stop loss. Now, where's our TP? I'm going to put it all the way down like the other one. Nah, that's kind of far, man. Let me just put it here. I'll put it here. This demand zone. All right, so it's either going to stop us out or it's going to go all the way to 5163.5. 5163.5. All right, guys, so that's it for the day, man. Got like 400 pips so far. Beautiful morning. Give me a W in the chat. Get out of here, you. That's it, guys. We rocked that world, man. We rocked that world today. All right, guys. With that, I will let you go. You guys have a great day on purpose. God bless you. Thanks for stopping by, guys. And I will see you tomorrow, man. Cheers, guys. God bless.